Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of ETFs or exchange-traded funds. If you're looking to build a solid, long-term investment portfolio, ETFs can be a fantastic option. Let's explore some of the best ETFs to buy and hold for the long term. First, let's briefly discuss what ETFs are. ETFs are investment funds that are traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. They hold assets such as stocks, commodities, or bonds and typically operate with an arbitrage mechanism designed to keep trading close to its net asset value. ETFs offer diversification, low expense ratios, and are generally more tax efficient compared to mutual funds. One of the most popular types of ETFs is the S&P 500 ETF. These ETFs track the S&P 500 index, which includes 500 of the largest companies in the U.S. by market capitalization. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPI, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, and iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, IVV, are among the top choices. These ETFs offer broad exposure to the U.S. stock market and are known for their stability and long-term growth potential. If you want even broader exposure, consider total market ETFs. These ETFs provide exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, including small, mid, and large-cap stocks. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI, and the Schwab U.S. Broad Market ETF, SCHB, are excellent options. They offer a more diversified approach compared to S&P 500 ETFs, capturing a wider array of market segments. For global diversification, international ETFs are a great choice. They invest in companies outside the U.S., offering exposure to both developed and emerging markets. The Vanguard FTSE All-World ex-US ETF, VU, and the iShares MSCI ACWY ex-US ETF, ACWX, are popular options. These ETFs help reduce risk by diversifying across various global economies. If you have a specific interest in particular sectors, sector ETFs can be an effective way to target those areas. For example, the Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund, XLK, focuses on the tech industry, while the Healthcare Select Sector SPDR Fund, XLV, targets the healthcare sector. These ETFs allow you to invest in specific segments of the market that you believe will outperform in the future. For those looking to balance their portfolios with fixed income investments, bond ETFs are a solid option. The iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF, AGG, and the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, BND, are great choices. They provide exposure to a wide range of bonds, including government, corporate, and mortgage-backed securities, offering stability and income. If generating income is a priority, consider dividend ETFs. These ETFs focus on companies that pay high dividends, providing a steady income stream. The Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VAG, and the iShares Select Dividend ETF, DVY, are popular options. They focus on high-quality companies with a history of increasing dividends. For investors interested in socially responsible investing, ESG ETFs are worth considering. These ETFs focus on companies with strong environmental, social, and governance practices. The iShares ESG Aware MSCI USA ETF, ESQ, and the Vanguard ESG US Stock ETF, ESGV, are leading choices. They allow you to invest in companies that align with your values. There you have it, some of the best ETFs to buy and hold for the long term. Whether you're looking for broad market exposure, international diversification, sector-specific investments, or income generation, there's an ETF out there for you. As always, make sure to do your research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips and insights. Happy investing!